guys? Christopher Miniweather here with Deadstock Barbershop, and today is day number 8 of Vlogmas. Today is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys the Christmas tree that me and my family just finished putting up, and just a few of the antics, some of the stuff that we had going on. My wife made hot chocolate and all that kind of stuff, so we just turned on some music and just enjoyed the time together. The tree came out great, so you guys stay tuned, watch it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Christmas time, guys, so today we are going to be putting up the Christmas tree. Well, the tree is up, but we're going to be decorating it. So here we go. Check this out.
Although it's been said many times, Merry Christmas.
Chill. You gonna hurt yourself.
I was gonna put one more and then you can do that.
We got Mom has just made us some hot chocolate. I'm on keto, so I have no marshmallows. To me. I'm not gonna lie. This stuff is hot. Super hot. Ah! My throat. With a K at the end, my throat. Let's go.